12 drummers drumming, 11 pipers piping, 10 Lord's 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids of milk and 7 swan, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden.
Hey y'all, welcome to Vlogmas day number 3. So today I am cooking broccoli cheddar soup, and I got this recipe from someone else. I'm gonna tag her below. So first you see me chopping up carrots. So her recipe calls for carrots, asparagus, onions, and broccoli. I don't like onions, and I did not add the asparagus because I wasn't sure I wanted that in there. So I just did carrots and broccoli. So now you guys see me about to put the broccoli and the carrots in the processor and chop them up. Now you don't want them mushy. The recipe says you just want them to be like just cut up just enough so that you could just add it to the soup. And so I did just that. I think this was the perfect texture for the soup. If you don't want it that small, you don't have to have it that small. This is my first time making it, so I'm doing a lot of experimenting and hoping and praying that things come out right. So it didn't take that long. Maybe I turned it on maybe three or four times to get it diced up perfectly. I'm gonna pour 1 cup. This is making a cream. This is making a cream. So this is cannellini, beans, and milk. And I'm gonna blend it. Until it looks like this. So y'all, I am seasoning it now with black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Need to stir it so it's not a burn. And now I'm going to stir it up. And now I'm going to add in, I added some vegetable broth already. I'm going to add a little bit more, and then I'm going to pour in my bean milk. Also, this is what it's looking like when I pour in the milk. So I'm going to let this, once it starts simmering, I'm going to let it simmer for 15-20 minutes. And then I'm going to come back and add cheese and my nutritional yeast. While it's cooking, I'm going to clean, this is simmering, I'm going to clean all that stuff up in the background. And I got some more stuff over here. We'll clean all this up, and then it should be done. And put the dishes away, and we should be done. Well, it should be done simmering. This pot be rocking. All right, y'all. So this is what we're looking like. I added in the nutritional yeast, and then I added in some cheese, vegan cheese, vegan shredded cheddar cheese, and let it sit for a minute. And I'm gonna tell y'all how it tastes once I plate it. All right, y'all. Let's give it a try. It might not look that good to y'all, but it looks good on my end. I'm gonna try it. Okay, we're getting there. So in the recipe, she does say that you need to like season it to your liking, because it might be all, you know, depending upon how people like it. I am missing an ingredient, better than bouillon cube, but I meant paste, but it's salty and I don't need any extra salt. So I probably will add a little garlic powder to it, and a few other seasonings that are like salt free. But I think it's a go. It's good. I would definitely make this again. It wasn't too hard. It wasn't stressful. It's added protein because it's beans and milk in here as well. I'm a just at the girl that I got it from, y'all. Chef's kiss. I like it. I like it a lot. Now let me go doctor it up, put my last finishing touches on it, and put it on a plate and grub. I added my little bacon bits on top.